Hi everybody, this is Dr. Daulton from Hammond Chiropractic, and today I'm back at Top Field CrossFit in Crown Point, Indiana, and we're going to be making another special video for you today on a movement that I personally really like. It's called the Sumo Deadlift HIgh Pull. And actually, I got to take that back. I really don't like doing this movement, but what I love about it is that it's a really, really good exercise if you're trying to strengthen the entire body. And as a chiropractor, the particular reason that I like this movement is because it will help you strengthen your entire back all the way from the neck down to the tailbone. So it's a really, really good exercise to add to your routine if you're already weight training or whatever it is that you're doing exercise-wise. Now I have a special treat for you today. My friend Coach Daniella, she's going to be actually training you and teaching you how to do this exercise. But I know you all love Coach Dustin, so he's going to be doing the movement for us and showing us how it's done properly. All right, Coach Daniella, you can go ahead and take over.
Hi everyone. Today we are going to be talking about the Sumo Deadlift HIgh Pull. You want to start with a wide stance while keeping your chest nice and tall. Reach down and grab the bar, making sure your hands stay between your knees. While standing up, let the bar rise above your knees and hips extending before bending your arms. As you stand up, pull your hands up towards your chin while keeping your elbows up and out.
All right, guys. Now, I just want to talk about a couple things just to make sure that you're going to be safe when you do this movement. You want to make sure you get the benefits of this, but we also don't want you to injure yourself. So the very first thing that I want to tell you is when you go into this position, before you lift the bar up, you want to make sure that your back is nice and straight and strong. Make sure you contract your core so that you support that back, because you don't want to damage your back by doing this activity. The other thing that I want to tell you about is that when you first go into this position to lift the bar from the floor, remember that this is more like a deadlift than it is a squat. You're not actually going to be going down into a squat position. You want to make sure that your butt goes back and that you bend at the knees, and the strength is actually in your back, not in your legs at that point, okay? The next thing that I want to make sure that you do properly is that when you lift the bar up, when you bring it up above the shoulders, try to make sure that you keep that bar close to your body. If you have the bar out too far away from your body, you're going to put a lot of stress and strain on your shoulders and your neck, and that actually can cause damage in that way too. So make sure that you keep that in mind, that you're keeping the bar pretty close to your body as you lift it up closer to your chin. Now, the other thing I want to talk to you about is what if you don't have access to a bar, or what if you just don't want to use a bar? You know, some people aren't comfortable using a barbell for this type of movement or any type of weight training, so they tend to go with either dumbbells, or one thing that I'm going to recommend for you is that you can do this movement with a kettlebell, and it's actually nice and easy. Basically, you would just use the kettlebell in place of the bar. It's the exact same movement, and you still want to follow the same safety principles that I just talked about with you to make sure that you don't hurt yourself in doing this. But what I want to let you know is that if you start doing this exercise on a regular basis, this is a great way to strengthen your back when you do it properly, and that's why I wanted to make sure that we got this information to you guys. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Start using this in your workouts. It will be a great addition for you, and we will see you on the next video soon.